First of all, I would like to thank the two organizing team, Skills and Co. and Synergy Group, for allowing us to partner with these two organizations. It is not easy to host such a big summit, which will be for 3 days. Since I'm representing Akashvani Kohima, I would like to share few things about the activities of Akashvani Kohima. We have two channels. One is a primary channel, and the other is FM Tragopan, which most of you all know. And we are broadcasting 15 dialect programs, each given equal time slot of 30 minutes in our primary channel. Besides that, we have many programs, such as programs for women and children, programs on health, programs on youth, rural programs, programs for senior citizens, programs on sports, and programs which are broadcast in the morning called Morning Echoes. Besides songs in Hindi and English songs, which we broadcast in our FM channel. We have limited staff, and in spite of all of our limitations, we have dedicated and committed staff. We have mass media students who interned with us during the holidays, students from, not only from Nagaland, students from Northeast, students from mainland India who come and intern with us. And I'm grateful to our staff because mentoring and guiding these mass media students is purely voluntary. Without any involvement of money, we guide these young interns. And besides the mass media students, because of NEP 2020 implementation, certain students have to complete credit hours to fulfill their graduation criteria. So to fulfill that, we also take in students who have to maintain credit hours, who have to intern with an institution to fulfill their graduation. Not many get the opportunity to come to a radio station for recording. Based on the expertise, we invite musicians, artists, young people, students, people from rural areas, people from different professional background. And so during this influencers meet, we decided to reach out to a wider audience. And so we have set up 2 stalls near the main entrance, close to the hall. Visitors, you can go and visit our stall. We are showcasing the different activities which Akashvani Kohima has been taking up over the years. And another is the makeshift stall, where you can feel the experience of getting interviewed by our RJs, by our team, by our production team. You can visit our stall, our studio, as well as our stall, which is put up near the main hall. One main area of concern which we face is battling fake news. Most of us are quite careless when we forward messages, texts, videos, images. So for radio, people may say that it's outdated, but we take our own time to produce and broadcast programs. We're very careful with what we broadcast. But still, battling fake news videos is still a huge challenge for most of us today. We are in the age of artificial intelligence. What most of us, especially young people, have to be very careful is that the digital footprints that we set. In this era of AI, in the age of AI, what you have deleted from your phone is not erased permanently. So we have to be very careful of what you share, forward, upload. We see a future where when you face an interview panel, gone are those days when the panel of experts may look into only your educational qualification, your rank, your position, but your moral and social responsibility will also be taken into account. Whatever that you share, they can be traced, tracked, extracted, can be compiled, and before you even face the interview board, they will know what kind of a person you are, the personality that you are. So you have to be very, very careful. Your moral integrity also matters, besides your educational qualifications, the knowledge and the intelligence that you may possess. Akashvani Kohima is also on social media. We have our X page, Instagram page, YouTube. And when we think of radio, we think of most of us think of the old radio transistor set, but so many changes, technology changes have taken place, and so you can even listen to your radio from your phone, from the palm of your hand. Whatever channel you want, radio channel you want to listen. Our production team at the stall will be able to guide you how to download News on Air app. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to thank one of our staff who came from Delhi. She's from Nagaland. She's working in the sports section. Like I mentioned before, we have very few staff, but we have dedicated and committed staff. And we have two of our staff who regularly represent Akashvani all over India when Khelo India Games take place, when national games take place. So our staff from Delhi, who is working in the sports section, is also present with us here today. And it is my hope and prayer that all who visit during this Influencer Summit will be immensely benefited. So thank you, everyone, and I thank the organizers once again. Thank you.